Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to participate as a player in the GWPro.io VR training experience. Step 1. Check your connection before getting started. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on and your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for multiplayer functionality. Step 2. Launch the app. Open the GWPro.io app. Our platform supports cross-platform compatibility, so you can use different devices together in the same multiplayer session. Choose your preferred language and press Continue. Note, to access multiplayer, you'll need either a demo or a full license. Also, ensure the training module you want to use is fully downloaded. You should see a Start button next to the module name. Step 3. Connect to the VR classroom. To join the session as a player, you'll need a PIN code from your teacher. This code may be shared verbally, via chat, or by any other means. Once you have the PIN, tap Connect to VR Classroom. Enter your name or a nickname so that others in the session can identify you. Then, press Connect. Step 4. Enter the session. At this point, the teacher is already connected and hosting the session. I've joined as the player. We're now waiting for the observer to join. Once everyone is connected, in this case, Justin joins as the observer, press Continue to proceed. Step 5. Begin the training. The teacher will initiate learning mode, and the simulation begins. As the player, you'll receive audio cues and visual instructions as you progress through the module step by step, just like in solo mode. For example, I start by putting on my safety glasses, then the hard hat, and so on. Meanwhile, the teacher can use tools like a laser pointer to guide or highlight areas of interest. The observers will follow your actions, viewing the session from designated observation points. And that's it. You are now fully equipped to participate as the player in a GWPro.io multiplayer training session. Enjoy the experience and lead the training with confidence.